Omicron in the Carolinas, North Carolina officials ordering more than 1 million COVID tests and promising to open more sites across the state just to keep up with the demand. This as a near record high number of North Carolinians are in the hospital fighting coronavirus. And Omicron is jeopardizing in-person instruction in some Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools. There simply isn't enough staff because of COVID. That's the message CMS Superintendent Ernest Winston told parents at tonight's Board of Education meeting. WCNC Charlotte's Shamaria Morrison shares how the district is addressing the severe staff shortages.
We remain open, but it would be a stretch to say that our students are receiving the full level of support that we want to provide.
The CMS school district hasn't been able to keep up with teachers' absences, only covering less than 50% of classes with substitutes who need one. The district has had to pull essential staff from their offices to cover classes.
Thus far, we have been able to keep our schools open with only a couple of classes being transitioned to remote learning due to safety concerns for our students.
Parents and students are noticing.
There's not enough staff or substitutes, that there's a lot of kids sitting in classrooms without teachers, which is leading a lot of them to skip class and be roaming around, which is concerning to me.
There's also a critical shortage of school nutrition staff and bus drivers.
Our capacity to cover transportation routes is approaching the maximum. And so any upturn in driver absences will impact our ability to transport students to and from school.
The school district is preparing for its toughest weeks yet in this pandemic. Even board members are preparing to sign up to cover shifts in classrooms. In Uptown, Shamaria Morrison, WCNC Charlotte.
The CMS School Board also voted tonight to approve the Say Something Anonymous reporting app in middle and high schools. It is a secure and anonymous safety app where students can report concerns to help at-risk classmates before they hurt themselves or others. Superintendent Winston saying this is one step to curb violence in CMS buildings.
Our school safety work group is developing school-based strategies for equipment such as body scanners that can detect firearms and other deadly weapons while enabling students and staff arrival to continue with minimal interruption.
District leaders are also finalizing plans to distribute clear backpacks to high school students. Those backpacks cost the district more than $440,000 according to a purchase order.